Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you have revised your previous lessons of English grammar. Today, we are going to start with lesson 5 of English grammar, singular and plural. You all know what is singular? A noun that is one is called singular, and a noun that is more than one is called plural. Is that clear? Like I say, if you have a book with you, we are talking about one book. But if it is more than one, it will be books. It will be books. So, the first rule about nouns is that to some words you add only s to make plurals. You add only s to make plurals. Book will become books. Boy will become boys. Is that clear? See into your book also. Chair will become chairs. In the same way, day will become days. Balloon will become balloons. You add only s to make them plural. Is that clear, children? Now, second rule is the words that end with ch, sh, ss, o, the words that are having hissing sound. You add es to it. What do you add? Es to it. Now here we are going to take the words that end with ch, sh, double s, o, x. We add es to them. Like if I say church, how will you make it plural? By adding es to it. Can you see the words that end with ch? You are going to add es to it. And the words that end with sh, bush, it will become bushes, sh and es. If I say class, ending with double s, you will add es to make classes. And if a word is ending with x, I am writing box, you will add es to make it plural. Is that clear? In the same way, mango. Mango is ending with o, you will add es to make mangoes. But some exceptions always exist. Is that clear? Some exceptions always exist. Like if a word is ending with piano, you have to add only s to make pianos. If video, you will add only s to make it plural. Children, is that clear to all of you? Please see into your books. Church will become churches, brush, brushes, bus, buses, potato, potatoes, dress, dresses, fox, foxes. In the same way, radio will become radios. Till here, is it clear to all of you, children? Okay. Now we coming up to the next one. The words that end with f and fe. The third point is the words that end with f or fe. You add ves to make it plural. like knife. Here you will remove FE to make knives. KNIVES. Leaf. You will remove F to make leaves. Is that clear, children? Wife, wives. Again, you will remove FE to make wives. So, the words that end with F or FE, you will remove these words to put VES in order to make plural. Again, some exceptions will always be there, as I said. What are the exceptions? Like hoof will become hooves. Hoof will become hoofs. Dwarf will become dwarfs. And roof will become roofs. You will not remove their F in order to put VES. Is that clear? These are very important things which you all have to learn it by heart. Now we come to number 4. There are certain words that end with Y but has a consonant word before it. Consonant word before it. So you will remove Y in order to put IES. Like, I say baby. Can you see this Y? Y has a B in front of it. B is a consonant. B is a consonant. So you will write down babies. You will remove this Y, and from BAB, you will remove this Y and add babies, IES to it. Is that clear, children? Then family. Family. Again, it is ending with Y, but L is a consonant. L is a consonant. So you will write families, LIES. Please place your finger where we are reading, children. In nouns that end in a consonant before the final Y, the Y is replaced with IES to make the plural. Butterfly will become butterflies. Then lady will become ladies. Lady will become ladies. Is that clear to all of you, children? Now we come to the words that end with Y but has a vowel in front. They have vowels in front. The words that end with Y with the vowel in front, you will add only S to make plural. Like I say toy. Toy though is ending with Y but has a vowel in front. You will write toys. You will write toys. In the same way, monkey. Monkey ending with Y but has a vowel in front. You will write monkeys. You will write monkeys. You will add only S to it. Is that clear, children? Then key will become keys. Chimney will become chimneys. Key, keys. These are the keys. Donkey will become donkeys. Ray will become rays. Now some nouns do not follow any rules. Some nouns do not follow any rules. In the same way, but you put vowels in the center to change it. Like man. Man will become men. You are putting E in between. In the same way, woman will become woman. Here we are using vowels. Others, child will become children. Child will become children. Tooth will become teeth. Tooth is one, teeth is more than one. Is that clear? In the same way, mouse will become mice. Mouse will become mice. But in case of ox, ox will become oxen. Ox will become oxen. And person, if I'm talking about one person, and if they are more, they will become people. They will become people. So woman, woman. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Like tooth becomes teeth, foot becomes feet. Foot becomes feet. Mouse, mice. Man, men. Person, people. Now some nouns do not change in their plural forms. In some nouns, do not change they remain same in singular and plural. Like sheep will always remain sheep. Deer will always remain deer. Fish, unless and until it is a variety, it will always remain fish. In the same way, luggage, knowledge, news, furniture, deer, money, aircraft, information, fruit, spacecraft, they don't change in their plural forms, they remain same. Now sometimes we use a plural noun for one thing that has two parts. Like you take an example of a scissor, it has got two parts. It will always be scissors. It will always be scissors. Like the glass we are putting on, glasses. Okay, because they are two. Is that clear, children? In the same way, jeans. You don't say jean li hai. You say jeans. You say, I have purchased shorts. I have purchased a pair of shorts or trousers. Some plural nouns refer to a group of people, animals, or things, like stairs. They will always be stairs. These are the goods to be transported. Is that clear? So, some plural nouns refer to a group of people, animals, or things. Now, there are some important informations to be given. We can use a pair of to refer to one. For example, I bought a new pair of jeans last week. We use pairs of to refer to more than one. For example, I bought 3 pairs of jeans last week. These nouns take a plural verb also. Like my jeans are very old. You don't write is. You have to change the verb also. My trousers are wet. Fishes and fruits can be used when we mean this kind or varieties. Children, is it clear to all of you? Now the exercises, rewrite these sentences after correcting the incorrect plurals. His foot are dirty. His foot are dirty. You will not write foot. Your answer will be his feet are dirty. Now, Learn all these singular and plural nouns very carefully. If you revise them every day, you will learn each and everything nicely. Try to do the exercises on your own, and then we will discuss in the next class. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children. God bless.